Welcome back to Mobility Solutions. Today we are repairing a broken GB120. So what you are hearing is a short in the tiller board causing a fault code. So we are going to replace the board. This is a simple, straightforward fix. It's all plug and play. And this is the new board. We'll simply unplug the connectors, remove the two mounting bolts, and swap the board.
Oh, what's important too though, when you're screwing this back in, you want to make sure you have these spacers. If you don't have these spacers behind here, like these, then it'll just start touching on this metal and then it'll arc off.
Now we will bolt down the new board.
Very small amount of adhesive to keep them on that board.
Connect the wires.
I'm gonna hide it. See what happens. There we go. Oh.
And voila, it's all fixed.
No noise. Put one right there.
And one last thing, while we are at it, we will take the wobble out of the tiller by tightening this bolt. And this bolt, a lot of people don't know the one at the bottom is there. Thanks for watching today's repair video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and check out our channel for all sorts of videos, from unboxings, ride-on tests and comparison videos, to the occasional repair video. We appreciate your support.